Hello there, this is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. I thought I would pop in real quick. I was going to stop by Tuesday to do a video, but then I got the paper pumpkins, which this is what we're going to do this weekend. But for today, I wanted to show you the unboxing of it, and then we'll do the cards and the alternatives. Well, I'll add the cards onto this from the kit, and then we'll do a separate video on Saturday for the alternatives. But in the meantime, this is July paper pumpkin kit, and it's called Sweeter With You. And then these are the coordinating dies for the next 3 months. We have July, August, and September. It's too late for you to sign up for this month's. However, you can win it, because I have another kit here for you. And you want to leave a comment on Saturday's video for these alternatives to win this kit. And then for May, Robin Dittman, contact me. And then for June giveaway, I will announce that on Saturday and put it out there in the description of the YouTube video too. So real quick, I haven't even opened these yet because I just got them. And these are going to be the dies that coordinate. And they're called Circle of Season. And these are available to you. So it looks like we're going to get a hello die. This is going to be August because it's very fall, like a leaf, top of an acorn. We got that circle die there. This strawberry looks like it'll go with this month's, along with the flower. And then we have, I'm not quite sure what these are. This kind of looks like the head to, or, the top of a strawberry. And I don't know, I'll figure it all out and we'll go over it on Saturday. So that is what that is called. But to open this, I haven't even opened it yet either. We are going to get that open. Oh, and red tissue paper this time. Normally we get the blue. And I keep all of this because I use it for Christmas or gifts or whatever. So you get that garden green stamp, or the Stampin' Spot little cube. This is, I'm grabbing a piece of paper here. The stamp set. In here is going to be, like the cover, the index sheet for it. And I'll show it to you in a minute as I unpack. Nice big sentiments here, which is nice. I'm going to pull that out. Get this cute box out of the way. And get everything opened here. Set that aside. Grab some scissors and get this opened up. But anyhow, when you subscribe, you want to do that by the 10th of every month. It's just easier to get a subscription, and that way you don't have to worry about it. Oh, lots in here. Okay, there's a lot. This is what that stamp set looks like. And again, you can see where, well, it's going to coordinate with all the dies in this, for the, for the 3-month period. Okay, Sweeter With You. You get your usual IKEA directions. Very, very simple to follow along with. These are going to be cute too. Let's see what you get. You get, okay, this time I'm going to show you all this, and we already did the dies. But you are going to get enough in here for 9 cards, which is going to be 3 cards of each design. And the colors in this are Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Strawberry Slush, and Timid Tiger. So we have a decent size sheet of full-size Stampin' Dimensionals along with the mini glue dots and then some tear and tape here. Okay, these envelopes are super, super cute. We've got the scallop at the end and the sweet colors in them. And you're going to get 9 of them. And then it looks like we've got some card front. Yeah, we've got a lot coming up here. Okay, this is going to be 1 card front of the berries. You get a sheet of 2 sheets of perforated vellum here. And then this is another card base. And then more perforated little ephemera pieces here. Another card base. Is this another card base? Yeah, I guess it's, well, 8 cards, 2 of each. The instructions say something else or, you know, we'll wing it. And then you get 2 sheets of this. And again, it's really super cute. Okay, yeah, you have 8 cards, 2 of each. So you have 4 designs. This is going to be a nice one. And then look at those gigantic strawberries that you get. And flowers. And you get 1 sheet of that. Oh, this is huge. I mean, look at that. And then you get 2 sheets of this. So I'm going to make the cards for you real quick and then come back and show you what they're like. Okay, hi again, it's Cindy. I am back. I made our 4 cards. I only did 1 of each because I wanted to have leftovers. This is all the leftovers I have from the kit to do my alternatives with. Now, one thing I discovered when I put this together is that there are 3 different sizes, 3 different, I think these 2 are close enough in size, and this one's a baby one, but what you want to pay attention to on your directions, because this kind of messed me up at first a little bit with I started with card number 4, which would have been this, well, just let me show it to you real quick. So this is card number 4, which would have been, is this card here. Now, if I didn't look at these specific directions to arrange them in the little berry basket like that, it's going to tell you really, really clear which ones you want. So this one here, we know we want the, we know we want that one there. And then this one matches up with this one here, that one, this one, and this one. These 2 are this one. No, they're not. Or are they? No. 1, 2, and 3. We use 3 different sizes. And we use 2 of these on card number 4. And it shows you how to put everything together like that, so you're good. But pay attention to that when you are putting your cards together, if you're going, you know, exactly as the kit shows you to do. So I have all this left over, which means great alternatives. I didn't use the die cuts or anything like that in these because we're just doing the card right now, or the cards in the kit. So this is one of them that we made, again, out of 4. Super cute, and I love those colors too. And here is another card that you can make from the kit. Here is another one. And there is the 4th one. And that's what all 4 cards look like in the kit. And they are just the cutest things ever. So I hope that you join me again on Friday. Maybe Saturday, because it is paper pumpkin alternatives. And doing alternative cards is going to be well over a half hour, and I don't want to do that. So I might break out the video camera again, just so I can speed it up and do the voiceover, even though I hate doing that. Or just maybe do more videos with alternative cards, but I can't, because that's when I draw the name for my kit giveaway. I'm going to wing it. All right. And just make it all one video. So again, thanks for joining me today again. Quick look at our kit cards. And that is what we are looking like. So I will see you again in a couple days with our paper pumpkin alternatives. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. A couple other things going on. Wrapped up my 62. Free shipping today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you want to do that. Anything over $7,500. And remember, I've got my July card club going on. And I think these are, yeah, we'll be making those. So be sure to come back again in a few days for our paper pumpkin alternatives.